everyone, welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome back if you're subscribers. I'm Putri from Crochet, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this leggy mushroom keychain. This pattern is pretty simple and very low sew because we only have to sew the white spots on the cap, but for the mushroom it's totally no sew pattern. Now let's start crocheting. In this tutorial, I'll be using 5 ply milk cotton yarn, a 3mm hook, a scissors, a tapestry needle, a stitch marker, a pair of safety eyes, and some stuffing. Now let's start from the cap. Make a slip knot or a magic ring. Then chain 2. Continue do 5 single crochet in the very first chain. This is our first round. Now continue to the second round. We will do increase, repeat for 5 times. For the increase, we will do 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So we will have 10 single crochet for the second round. Don't forget to put on a stitch marker in the first single crochet. Now we will continue crocheting. Next, continue to the third round. We will do 1 single crochet and then 1 increase, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 15 single crochet. So this is how the third round looks like. Now continue to the fourth round. We will do single crochet around. In the end, we will have 15 single crochet. It starts looking like a little dome. Now we will continue to the fifth round. For round 5, we will do 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and another 1 single crochet, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 20 single crochet. I will repeat this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. So this is how it looks like. Now continue to round 6. We will do single crochet around. In the end, we will have 20 single crochet. Now continue to round 7. We will do 3 single crochet and then 1 increase, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 25 single crochet. I will repeat this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. Now continue to round 8. We will do 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 3 single crochet, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 30 single crochet. I will repeat this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. Next, for round 9, we will do a single crochet around. In the end, we will have 30 single crochet. So we are at the end of round 9 and we still have one stitch left, which we will change the color in this stitch. We will change to the color of the body. And now continue to round 10. For round 10, start with one single crochet. Next, one decrease. For the decrease, we will do invisible decrease, so we will work in front loop only. This is the front loop. Now insert the hook into the first front loop and go to the next one. Next, yarn over, pull out the 2 loops, and we will finish it off just like a regular single crochet. So this is the invisible decrease, but you can also use regular decrease. Now we will continue with 3 single crochet. So we will repeat this pattern, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 3 single crochet for 4 more times. In the end, we will have 25 single crochet. So this is how it looks like after we finish round 10. Now before we continue to the body, we will do the strap first. We will use the same color as the cap, make a slip knot. Then chain 60. After that, cut off the yarn and fasten off. Now we will attach it to the mushroom. So grab the mushroom and the hook, then insert the hook into the top of the mushroom. Next, grab the strap and we will pull it out the loop. After that, we will tie both ends of this strap. And make sure to make a tight knot. So this is how it looks like after we attach the strap. Now we will continue to round 11. For round 11, we will do 3 single crochet and then 1 decrease, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 20 single crochet. After that, continue to round 12. We will do 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and another 1 single crochet, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 15 single crochet. Next, for round 13, we will do 1 single crochet and then 1 decrease, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 10 single crochet. After that, continue to round 14. We will do single crochet around. In the end, we will have 10 single crochet. Next, for round 15, we will do 1 single crochet and then 1 increase, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 15 single crochet. After that, continue to round 16. We will do 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and another 1 single crochet. Repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 20 single crochet. Next, for round 17, we will do single crochet around. In the end, we will have 20 single crochet. Now continue to round 18, do 3 single crochet and then 1 increase, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 25 single crochet. After that, continue to the next round. Start from round 19 to round 21, we will do single crochet around. So we will have 25 single crochet in each round. I will continue crocheting and we will meet at the end of round 21. So this is how it looks like after we finish until round 21. Next, we will attach the eyes in between of round 18 and 19 and 4 stitches apart of each eye. And this is how it looks like. Now we will continue to round 22. We will do 3 single crochet and then 1 decrease, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 20 single crochet. Now continue to round 23. We will do decrease, repeat for 10 times. In the end, we will have 10 single crochet. After finishing round 23, we will start stuffing. We only have to stuff the body and no need to stuff the cap. Once we have satisfied with the stuffing, we will continue to our last round. We will do decrease, repeat for 5 times. In the end, we will have 5 single crochet. So we have done the last round. Next, cut off the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. Next, grab the needle, start sewing to close this little loop and weave in ends the tail. Next, we will do the arm. We will do it in round 19 and 2 stitches away from the eye. Then turn the mushroom upside down and insert the hook into round 19. Now attach the yarn. Continue with 7 chain. Then in the second chain of the hook, we will do mini bubble stitch. For the mini bubble stitch, we have to do 3 unfinished double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, and then grab the yarn, pull out the loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Next, yarn over, pull out the 2 loops. Now we will repeat the same steps for 2 more times. After that, we will have 4 loops on our hook. Next, yarn over and pull out all the 4 loops. So this is our mini bubble stitch. Next, we will slip stitch to the next chain. Then finish it off, chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. So this is our first arm, and before we continue to the second arm and legs, I'm gonna show you how to weave and ends the tails. Now we have done the arms, and we will continue to the legs. So for the leg, we will do it in round 22 and choose the stitch that is in line with the eye. Now turn the mushroom upside down, insert the hook, attach the yarn, and we will do the exact same pattern as the arms. I will continue crocheting, and we will meet after I finish both of the legs. So this is how it looks like after we finish the arms and legs. Now we will continue to make the white spots. Start with a slip knot or a magic ring. Then chain 2. Continue do 4 single crochet in the very first chain. Next, slip stitch in the first single crochet. Then cut off the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. So this is our first spots. Now we have to make 3 more, so we will have 4 in total. Now it's time to attach the spot. We will cut off the short tail and grab the tapestry needle. Then we will start sewing the spots to the mushroom cap. After that, we will use the extra tail to make the little spots. I will continue, and we will meet after I finish attaching all the spots and embroidering the smile. So this is how our leggy mushroom looks like. It looks absolutely adorable, and that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons, and if you have any question, just leave a comment down below. Also, feel free to tag me on my social media if you make any projects that following my tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.